We are working on a Charger GT full front end with paint protection, and we are teaching Max how to do it.
Learning and watching how to lay a hood.
Make sure that whatever spots you're squeegeeing with alcohol and edge prep, it's ready to go down and stay down.
I just finished the polish, and now I'm finishing up the coating on this E53 Mercedes AMG.
Doing a full wrap on this satin white 2022 GV80.
Right now I am paint correcting this Denali. It has a little bit of overspray, as you can see, because it got repainted. But there's some scratches. Someone previously buffed this, so there's a little bit of haze. So I'm getting all that out right now, and then we're gonna ceramic coat it.
Josh and Aaron just finished the full wrap on this BMW M5, and now I'm applying Spell Fusion coating.
What are you working on?
The C8 just got wrapped, now we're prepping it for ceramic.
Just following up with customers who had sent in leads, taking calls, and just making this place run smoothly.
I have to book a flight for myself to help Miami. I'm paying bills, I'm following up on leads, and answering phone calls.
So we are here to talk a little bit of shop, I guess. We're going to talk about YouTube and some of the behind-the-scenes stuff. And also, I'm getting my truck washed.
I am putting together the final touches to this nice Ford Raptor. Got a nice XPEL stealth wrap on it, so it looks even more matte than it did before. We're just getting it ready to ship back to the customer.
Well, I just finished up a bunch of quotes, and I'm looking at some lights here that I'm thinking about switching to for the front of the new Ford Explorer PIUs. We normally either use the Whelans or these that fit where these pop out of the grill, but I found these really neat Code 3s that have a dual layer, and they're bigger, and they'll definitely fit in there. The studs are out a little bit farther, but they are really bright.
Today we're over at Specialty Cars Limited. They wanted to get their showroom tinted to cut down on UV and heat. So I'm just prepping the windows here and gonna put a clear film on.
We are working on a CLA. Some nice Prime XR, block some heat, look nice and black. Gonna make this already black and dark car look even better.
You ready to be on film?
Sure. I don't mind.
Why are you walking away from the camera then?
I gotta clean his glass while he's doing this. 2022 CLA 250.
Why'd you turn down the shrimp?
I can make better.